All right, getting that wiring harness out is a big deal because it takes a long time to do that diet. I hope it makes it back before the kit gets here, but who knows, we'll see. At least we're putting it out there in plenty of time for him to work on it. So next we're gonna get the e-brake handle and we're gonna disconnect the exhaust to do that. With the transmission and exhaust, that's really the last couple things connected to the engine. So the next big step will be the engine. Probably catch that next episode because this one's gonna be pretty tough to cut the exhaust out and then disconnect the emergency brake handle, as well as we're gonna have to disconnect the drive shaft and those sort of things. So I'll show you, it's kind of tough underneath here, kind of tight under the car. But I'll show you what it takes to do that. We're basically gonna cut the exhaust away. There's a few places where it's bolted because remember this exhaust has been straight piped. So there is no H-pipe, no catalytic converters, no mufflers. So simply we'll cut it up into pieces and chunk it in the car with the rest of the junk. And then you probably wonder what we're gonna do with this thing when we're all done is hopefully we can find a junkyard that'll come pick it up for free and then they can have it for a crush value. That's the plan. That's what worked last time, so we'll see if it works this time. So let's get under here and get dirty. Why is it the tool you need is always on the top shelf? I need that Sawzall right there. I have to do some monkey climbing. All right, here go the plan. So it's bolted right here. It's like a 10. Then it goes up over the axle there. And then it's bolted up there past, well, I guess it still is the H-pipe, but you can see it's bolted up there. So we'll probably cut it right here, make it easier to bring out in pieces. And then, because I'm backed into the garage, so I'm kind of hemmed in here. But that's what we'll do. We'll unbolt it there, cut it there, unbolt it from the back here, and then take it down from the engine. As you can see, this was a 9/16. I'm gonna go out on a limb and guess that that was not OEM. Could be, I don't know. None of these are the same. Gonna be rebuilding the rear end anyway, but you can see this front seal is gone because it's splattered all back there. So we got a rebuild kit. All right, that's from where the catalytic converter would be. So that's from the cat back. Let's get under here and get from the manifold back. I really need a lift. It sucks crawling under this thing. Gotta do what you gotta do. All right, we're gonna disconnect these secondary O2s, which will be deleted because we will not need them. This is a 9/16 up there. It's gonna take some universal movement to get to it. Nope, that's my breaker bar. Change of plans using the 9/16 Sawzall. That's the exhaust out. All right, drive shaft bolted back here at the rear end with 4 of these. It's number 12 torque. It's not torque, whatever the star shape is. But they're on there pretty good, so this might be tough. But I'm tough too. Let's see who wins. Can't get to it because of the angle. Have to spin the tires. Get to that one. Now we got it positioned. it just slips out the yoke of the transmission, and now drive shaft is up. Now we could get to what we're trying to get to the whole time, which is that connection for the emergency brake. And there's the bottom of the emergency brake handle. So let's pull that out now. All right, I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna try disconnecting, taking these off, popping this up, see if it gives me enough slack to unloosen that T connection down there. Because it's too tight, I'm either have to do that or take the wheels off and disconnect it at the back. So let's try this first. That should give us plenty of slack. We can disconnect it underneath. All right. Pop it right out. All right, that's got it. Got the parking brake out, got the exhaust out. We're gonna hit the engine next. Stay tuned. Tell you what, this is how we do the beach. We got the tents, we got one building the sandcastle, everybody else sitting in the shade, personalized towels, and the Mentor kite. That's how we do the beach.